Today I will show you how to bake this sweet chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients: 1 egg, 170 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter, 80 grams of sugar, 100 grams of chocolate chips. We're gonna put the batter in the microwave for about 20 seconds to make it a little softer. Put the butter in a bowl and mix well until it gets creamy. Add sugar and mix well together. And egg. Then flour. Use hand to mix it better. If it is still sticky, you can add a little bit more flour. And chocolate chips. Preheat the oven at 340 Fahrenheit. We're gonna shape the cookies while we're waiting for the oven to be ready. Roll the dough and push it to make it circle. Keep going. Now we're gonna bake it about 40 minutes. Now it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching.